Hello and welcome to a short TFM tutorial. This is IBC swap. On TFM, IBC swap uses consent tokens from any chain to any other chain in Cosmos, for example from Axelar USDC on Osmosis to Astro on Neutron. Users simply have to select the source chain and token and destination chain and token, then input the amount of token they would like to send, and this generates a quote. On IBC swap, there are two options. There's the fast option, which is a one-click trade, or there is a safe option, which may give a slightly better rate. This fast option on this token trade makes 3 actions in one click. Let's take a closer look. Firstly, swapping Axelar USDC to anti-RN token on Osmosis. Secondly, transferring anti-RN from Osmosis to Neutron. And thirdly, another swap from anti-RN to Astro token on Neutron. This is the only API in Cosmos that can perform multiple swaps within a one-click transaction. No other cross-chain swap provider is as advanced as TFM. The save option may take a different route and has more than one click, but this can give traders a slightly improved swap rate for your cross-chain token swaps. Visit tfm.com/IBC for the best cross-chain swap rates.